start by dividing these two numbers as if there was no decimal point. Okay, that'll be 928 divided by 82. We can put 1 in here, get 10. Drop the 8 down, and we can put one more 82. Okay, so here I'll get 18 plus 8, right? So that's going to be 26, right? Then if I drop a 0 down, right, the 0 is here, we can put now 3 82s, and that'll be 246. Okay, so then subtracting this, right, we end up getting 14, right? But I think this is enough, right? This is 11.3 for now. Okay, so now if I were to round these two numbers, this is becoming 93, and this becomes 8. Right, the estimate of this division is 93 divided by 8. We can put 1 here to get 13, and put another one, right? So that we can get 8, and then it will be something, but we'll get 11 point something, right? So this tells me that this estimate is actually, this estimate, right, is very close to this quotient of 11.3. So the correct one is 11.3.